Hey, good evening. I'm Christiaan currently at Holisticon, where we are facilitating and participating in a user group meetup of the Liberating Structures user group in Hamburg. And we're currently talking with Pixies with about 60 people that are currently in the room, quite a lot of them actually. And what I wanted to talk to you about is the European Learning Gathering. It will take place in August on this very spot at Holisticon in Hamburg. And the Learning Gathering is designed for experienced and advanced practitioners of liberating structures, and is meant for us as a community of experienced practitioners to develop, continue, and grow as facilitators, and also develop liberating structures. So talking with Pixies, the one that we're doing right now, is one of those structures that's not completely done yet. We're almost there though, and it's an excellent opportunity, this learning gathering, to work together as experienced facilitators to develop this structure and maybe many of the other liberating structures that are in development. So if you're interested in that, and if you have experience with liberating structures and you really want to be a part of this community and help the development of liberating structures and also of yourself as a facilitator, then the learning gathering really is a really cool opportunity. It will take place in August. We will put information in the description of this video. You can sign up there, but don't wait too long. There are only a few spots left. And the interesting thing is McCandless and Henri Lipmanowicz from Liberating Structures, the founders and curators of Liberating Structures, will also be joining together with a whole group of people from Europe that are very experienced in their use, which includes Barry and me and other people from the Netherlands. But we're very much looking forward to seeing you there. See you there. Bye.